Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw iPhone 14 Pro icon in Adobe Illustrator. This iPhone just launched and have a new pill-shaped notch. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Press A, Direct Selection tool, and make all corner rounded. Press Eyedropper tool, and click the square to make the phone have the same color. Select both phone and notch, then click Align Horizontal Align Center. Use Pen tool to draw triangle in the right corner. Select both rectangle and triangle, then click Pathfinder Unite to merge it. Make the three corner rounded and adjust the speech bubble to looks better. Duplicate the object with Ctrl and C, then Ctrl and F on Windows, or Command and C then Command and F on Mac. We use Ctrl and F to paste it precisely on the top of the current object. Select all three circle and click Align Horizontal Distribute Spacing. Select the speech bubble with all the dots and duplicate it. Duplicate and go to Object, Transform, Reflect and choose Vertical. Looks like the phone need to be taller. Select all bottom point and move it down few times. Go to Object, Offset Path and fill it with -6 pixel. Remove the color and change stroke color into white. Press plus, add anchor point tool, to add some point. We need to remove this line segment. Press Shift and C, Anchor Point tool. You can select the line segment and press Delete. Reduce the opacity into 50%. Let's create another phone. Duplicate the base phone. Create triangle with polygonal tool. If you resize the object, the stroke width will change. So, don't forget to restyle it again. Let's give a nice cut effect in this area. Remove the line of the phone, duplicate it and give line to the other one. Let's do that trick with this one. Our iPhone has been done.